हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जर्मन लेवल का A1 विथ लेसन 1, जिसमें हम ग्रीटिंग्स के बारे में बात करेंगे, जिसको हम जर्मन में बेग्रूसुंगन भी कहते हैं। नाउ देयर आर टू वेज ऑफ ग्रीटिंग्स, formal and informal. Don't worry about the pronunciation right now. Even if you don't get it right at the moment, slowly and gradually you will. But do concentrate on the pronunciation. Also remember, very important thing about greetings in Germany, that when you are greeting someone in Germany, it's very important to make an eye contact and offer a firm handshake. And if you are offered one, then make sure that the handshake is safe. So the first greeting is hallo, which in English is hello. So it is most commonly used form of greetings in Germany. Notice the difference between the pronunciation between German and English. In German it is hallo, in English it is hello. The second is also most commonly used form of greetings, but it is used mostly in a formal way. So in German it is Guten Tag, in English it is good day. Once again, we'll see the pronunciation hallo and then Guten Tag. Let's look at some greetings that can be used only during a particular time of the day. जैसे हम we also say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. So let's look at these in German. In German we say Guten Morgen, which means good morning. Guten Abend, which means good evening. Now this is used to wish someone a nice evening, and please note that even during late evenings this greeting can be used. The last is Gute Nacht, which means good night, and we say this before going to bed. Let's see once again the pronunciation. Guten Morgen, Guten Abend, Gute Nacht. Okay. Let's look at some regional greetings, like within Germany, in different German states or in different German countries. So, for example, Grüß Gott, which means hello. So, this is used in Bayern or Bavaria, which is the biggest state of Germany, and Austria. Well, you would also notice some new characters here, like for example, this beta sign here. This is the sound of a double S. Okay, double S. So the beta sign here is the sound of a double S. And don't be scared. You would also notice the U with those two dots, but we will be discussing later what they are. Right now, just remember the pronunciation. So once again, Grüß Gott, which means hello, Grüß Sie, and Grüß dich. Now Sie is used in formal situations and dich is used in informal situations. Don't worry, we will be talking about this more in detail in much later videos. As of now, just remember, Z is used in formal situations and dish is used in informal situations, and both of these are two different pronouns, and this is used in formal situations and this is used in informal situations, for example amongst friends. And please also note that these two greetings are used in a singular form only and cannot be used for a group of people. Also in this S, this Z, ये जो आप Z देख रहे हो SIE में जो S है, ये S जो है, this takes the pronunciation of Z. Okay, like I have mentioned here, Z is equal to Z. So this takes the pronunciation of Z. So once again, Grüß Sie, Grüß dich. The other one is Servus, which also means hello or bye. It could mean both hello and bye. So this greeting can be used anytime during the day, and it is used mostly in Switzerland and southern Germany. The other is which is spoken all over Germany, and it is spoken more informally. It is Tschüss, which means bye. So choose you will also notice at times with a different spelling, which like double S at the end, like this S and then one more S. So that is also the spelling of choose. So choose means bye. Now ciao also means bye, but this is not the German word. Ciao comes from the Italian language but used a lot in European countries. Hence I have mentioned this. The other one is Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen, which means see you again. Now, Auf Wiederhören you would use when you are talking on the phone to some other person. Okay? Auf Wiedersehen means see you again. The only difference between Auf Wiedersehen and Auf Wiederhören is that you would use this on phone since you cannot see the other person. The other one is bis bald, which means see you soon. And then bis später, which also means see you later. Now, bis später is an alternative of bis bald. We use this mostly, amongst friends, mostly in informal manner. So, bis später is alternative of see you later. You would also see at times people using bis dann. So, all of these bis bald, bis später, bis dann, more or less means the same. Now let's have a look at the summary of all the greetings that we have discussed. Let's quickly have a glance at it. I will read it out again with the pronunciation so that it is clear to you, so that you get the pronunciation. So the first one is Hallo, which means hello. Guten Tag, good day. Guten Morgen, good morning. Guten Abend, good evening. Gute Nacht, good night. Grüß Gott, hello. Tschüssi, grüß dich, hello. Servus, hello or bye. Cheers, bye bye. Auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen. See you again. Auf Wiederhören. Bye, which is mostly on telephone. Then, bis bald, see you soon. Bis später, see you later. So I hope you have learned something, and these 13 greetings have given you the basic idea and feel of German language, and you would use this. Let me know in the comment section below if you have found any of these greetings interesting. Which one is your favorite? If you have watched this till the end, please do like, share and subscribe. Please hit the bell icon so that you could get more of such videos, more of me. I'll see you later. Bis später.